Welcome to our video on the CM5M30M6MF3F5, a versatile 5 megapixel MIPI sensor module. This module is designed for high performance and cost effectiveness, making it an ideal choice for various applications. The CM5M30M6MF3F5 features the OV5647 image sensor, offering high resolution and low cost. It supports multiple output formats, including raw Bayer data and YUV formats, with frame rates up to 120 FPS for different resolutions. This sensor module is equipped with an S-mount M6 lens holder, allowing users to select lenses and spectral filters to meet specific requirements. Its compact size makes it popular in embedded systems and consumer electronics. The CM5M30M6MF3F5 specifications include a 1/4 inch image size, 1.4 micrometers pixel size, and a dynamic range of 68 dB. It operates with a core voltage of 1.5 V and supports a Linux driver for the OV5647 sensor. With a maximum SN ratio of 36 dB and sensitivity of 600 mV/luxsec at 550 nanometers, this module ensures high-quality image capture. It operates effectively within a temperature range of -30 to +70 degrees C. The CM5M30M6MF3F5 is designed with a standard M6 lens holder and fixed focus lens, offering a field of view of 59 degrees horizontally. It requires a flexible flat cable with 24 pins for connectivity. This sensor module is ideal for applications in cellular phones, toys, and digital still cameras. Its cost-effectiveness and flexibility make it a great replacement for 1 MP or 2 MP sensors. Thank you for watching our video on the CM5M30M6MF3F5 sensor module. We hope you found this information helpful for your projects and applications. Explore more about this module for your specific needs.